Me again, year one. Hope you're getting on okay. This is your maths lesson, week 2 and lesson 4. Let's have a bit of fun and get moving, get warmed up and recap our double facts. You remember this one, you like this one. The link I've sent to you.
Doubles, I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Doubles, I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles.
Okay, now for your hit the button challenge. Don't forget to fill in the grid. Now for this one, you're going to have to be cheeky and sneaky and use those number patterns to help you. Okay, remember a few days ago we were doing things like 1 add what makes 10? Well, it was 9, wasn't it? And if you know that, just by putting your zeros on the end, you should know that it's 10 add 90 equals 100. Look, same numbers. They've just got zeros on the end. So, if 3 add, it was 7 makes 10, wasn't it? You should know that 30, you need 70 to get to 100. Here it is on Hit the Button. Here you go then. It's your Hit the Button page. Up to 100, make 100 using tens. As before, you think 3 add what makes 10? That's 7. So 30 add 70 must make 100. 9 add what makes 10? That's 1. So 90 add 10 must make 100. Right, now for the main maths tasks today. It's similar to yesterday. We're using our simple single digit sums to help us work out harder sums. But today we're going to be subtracting or minusing, taking away. Let's start with 7 take away 2. Here's a bead string to help you. So here's your 7 red beads. If we take away 2, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. But how can that help us work out trickier sums? Let's get cheeky and sneaky. So now we've got 17 beads. We did have 7 white ones, and we took 2 away to give us a 5. But don't forget we've put that extra 10 in front. So instead of 7 take away 2, we've got 17 take away 2 equals 15 by putting the extra 10 in front. So what would 27 take away 2 be? Using your squared paper, can you carry on the pattern right up to 97 take away 2? Remember, you can use 100 square to help you if you like. Okay, you've got your own 100 squares at home, but this is the one we tend to use in class together. So let's think about that 7 take away 2. So jump back 2, and we can use that to help us work out 17 take away 2. Look, the units are the same, it's just the tens that have changed. And that can help you work out 27 take away 2, right down to 97 take away 2. You now need your squared paper so that you can write some number patterns down. Like yesterday, you're going to shake the dice twice to make a simple single digit question, but you need to do a subtraction sum today. Now I threw a 3 then a 5, but I can't do 3 take away 5, can I? Remember, you always have to put the biggest number first with your take away sum. So instead, I'm going to do 5 take away 3 equals, and we know the answer's 2. Think about what number would go next. Going down the 100 square, down the column, it will be 15, because we've added 10. So we must make sure we add 10 to our answer. And you can follow the pattern all the way down. Remember, the units are staying the same. It's just the tens that are changing. Oops, I made a mistake. Did you spot that? That should be 22. You've always got to check your work, remember? 35 take away 3 equals 32. Keep going all the way down to 95 take away 3. And you can make up your own patterns, remember, using the dice. Okay, now the worksheet. Be cheeky and sneaky. Work out the simple one, single digits, and you should be able to very quickly fill in the answers here. Don't forget to check and self-assess. Next challenge is to work out as many number facts that you know by being cheeky and sneaky, just because you know that 6 take away 2 equals 4. So we've done this sort of thing in class before. We do our cloud and we're going to do our spider's legs. Can you think of 10 facts that you know just because you know 6 take away 2 is 4? So you could do 36 take away 2 must equal 34. Another spider's leg, you might go for a 3-digit number. You could try 276 take away 2. That must be 274. Maybe a 4-digit number. You don't have to. Stick with what you feel comfortable with. You might try 3,426 take away 2. So it's all staying the same except the final number. It's got to be that 4. Okay, keep going. Can you do 10 different subtraction sums around your spider's web? For this next one, you're going to need a 1-minute sum timer, or you need to set a timer on a phone. 1 minute. You're going to write this in the middle of your whiteboard, and you've got 1 minute to write as many subtraction sums that are connected to this as you can. How did you get on? I played around with 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, but now I'm going to think about, if I know 5 take away 2 is 3, remember our family facts? We also know 5 take away 3 equals 2. And you could play around with that. So 25 take away 3 equals 22. Remember, maths is all about playing around with numbers and being cheeky and have fun, boys. Just before I say goodbye, let me show you how good you're getting now. If you know 9 take away 6 is 3, you can do something like this. Whoa. 1,000,009 take away 6. What would the answer be? Bye.